Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to change background color on Squarespace step by step. I'll be showing you this on the web editor. First, open the Pages panel on the left sidebar. Click on the page that contains the section you want to change. Once you've selected your page, click the Edit button in the top left corner of the screen. This puts the page into edit mode so you can work with individual sections. Now hover your mouse over the section whose background color you want to change. You'll see a pencil icon appear. Click that to open the section editor. The section editor panel will slide in from the right side of your screen. In that panel, click the Colors tab. You'll see a grid of color theme options. These are labeled things like Lightest 1, Light 2, Bright 1, Dark 2, Darkest 1, and so on. Each theme controls the background color, text color, and heading colors for that section all at once. Click on any theme tile to apply it. The section background will change immediately so you can preview how it looks. If you don't like the first one you pick, just click a different theme. You can cycle through them until you find the look you want. Themes ending in 1 use black or white text, while themes ending in 2 pull colors from your site's palette for the text. Once you're happy with the color, click Save in the top left corner to save your changes and keep editing. Or, if you're done with all your edits, click Exit and then Save to close the editor completely. You can repeat this process for any other sections on the same page or on different pages. It's common to use different themes across sections to create visual contrast. For example, a light background for your hero section and a dark background for your footer. One thing to watch out for when you change a section's color theme, it resets all the colors in that section, including any custom text colors you might have set using the text block toolbar. So if you had made specific text a certain color before applying the theme, you'll need to reapply those custom colors afterward. If you want to go deeper and customize the actual colors behind these themes, you can edit your site's color palette by going to the Design panel, then Site Styles, then clicking the arrow next to Colors. That's where you can change the base colors that all these themes are built from, and that's how it's done. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.